Okay, Livy, the evil warlord has invented an anti-gravity bomb. And I need you to find it and deactivate it. Can you do that for mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, now there's 3 things you're going to need, all right? First off, here's how the bomb looks, okay? So when you spot it, I need you to deactivate it, all right? Now there's 3 things you're going to need, all right? Now, this special GPS, I need you to take your carriage and I need you to stick this in your carriage and the special GPS will take you to the anti-gravity bomb, okay? Now, once you get to the anti-gravity bomb, I need you to press this button, okay? This will deactivate it. Now, this is very, very important. You don't press this bomb until you get up to the bomb, all right? Until you find it. And you'll know that it's working once you press the button because you'll see it lighting up at the bottom, okay? And the 3rd thing you'll need, if you need me, just contact me by the walkie-talkie, okay? I'll be close by, all right? All right, now what are you going to do?
I am going to stick the wand on my carriage and so I can lead me to the way and guide me to the way. And I need this to use it for the bomb so the bomb can't work.
That's right, honey.
If I need help, then I can call you on the walkie-talkies.
Yes. Okay. Yes, honey. So give me a hug.
Okay.
And please take care of this mission for me.
Okay.
Okay, you found it, Livy? Perfect. Okay, now I need you to press the button to deactivate the bomb. Because remember, if you don't, then all the gravity will disappear and everyone will float into the air. You gotta do this, Livy. You're our only hope. That's wonderful, honey. I knew you could do it. Come on back. I'm waiting for you at your playhouse. You did it. You did it. You did it. Was it a hard mission?
A little.
Little? Oh my gosh. I know you can do it.